Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rides Review Hub. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the Suzuki Mehran. And yes, it's back. Let's talk about the Suzuki Mehran 2026 model. What's changed, what's still the same, and whether it's worth the hype or just another nostalgia trip. So buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride down memory lane with a futuristic twist. A little background: the legacy of Mehran. Before we get into the 2026 model, let's rewind a little. The Suzuki Mehran was launched back in 1989 and remained in production until 2019. That's right, 30 straight years. It was known for its simplicity, durability, and of course, being the most budget-friendly option on the market. But it was not without its criticism. Outdated features, no airbags, basic interior, you name it. Despite all that, the Mehran became a symbol of affordability and trust for millions of families. The comeback Mehran 2026. Now fast forward to 2026, and Suzuki seems to be reviving the Mehran, but with some major changes. First things first, this is not a simple facelift. It's more like a reimagination of what the Mehran could be in today's world: modern, efficient, yet still affordable. So, let's break down what we know about the Suzuki Mehran 2026. Engine and performance of the 2026 Mehran comes equipped with a modern 660cc FE engine, the same technology used in K cars in Japan. This not only means better fuel economy but also reduced emissions, which is a big plus in today's eco-conscious environment. Despite being smaller in capacity, the engine delivers smoother performance, quieter operation, and better fuel efficiency. We're talking 22 to 25 km/h on average. Also, Suzuki is offering two variants: manual 5-speed transmission, automated manual transmission AMT, ideal for city driving. Exterior design of the 2026 Mehran. You will still recognize its classic shape, but it's been refined. The body is slightly more aerodynamic, the headlights are LED, and the grille now has a more modern honeycomb pattern. Other upgrades include sleeker bumpers, alloy wheels in the higher-end variant, body-colored side mirrors and handles, optional fog lights for better visibility. But make no mistake, Suzuki has intentionally kept the silhouette close to the original Mehran. It's a smart move to appeal to the nostalgia crowd. Interior simplicity with a touch of comfort. Step inside, and you will notice the cabin has had a serious glow up. While it's still a basic layout, the 2026 Mehran now includes touchscreen infotainment system, in top variant power windows, front-only, central locking, digital instrument cluster, air conditioning is standard. The seating has improved as well, with better cushioning and reclining front seats. It's still a small car, so don't expect luxury space, but it's definitely more comfortable than its predecessor. Safety features. Finally, some progress. Safety was one of the biggest criticisms of the old Mehran. So, Suzuki has made some essential upgrades for 2026 now. We're getting dual airbags, driver plus passenger, ABS brakes, reverse parking sensors, rear seat belts. Still not the best in class, but miles ahead of the old model. Suzuki is clearly trying to meet at least the minimum safety standards now expected from any modern car. Pricing: the base variant of the Suzuki Mehran 2026 is expected to start around 1.9 million, while the top variant may go up to 2.3 million. Yes, it's more expensive than the old Mehran, but in today's market, it's still considered entry-level. Compared to other options in this range, it could still be one of the most affordable brand new cars. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, fuel-efficient car for daily city use, the new Mehran might just be the right fit. So, is the Suzuki Mehran 2026 a worthy comeback? In many ways, yes. It's more fuel-efficient, safer, slightly more stylish, still affordable. But do not expect it to compete with modern sedans or crossovers. It's a no-frills city car, plain and simple. If that's what you're after, it delivers. It also carries the emotional appeal of the old Mehran, a car that defined an era for millions of people. Suzuki seems to be banking on that legacy, and honestly, it might just work. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe for more automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe. Goodbye.